I'm just counting them down for you guys so you can see the consistency of our system. Alright. That's just a glitch, guys. That loss was a glitch on that day. If you watch our videos on YouTube, you'll know why that glitch occurred. We showed you everything and explained that on our YouTube. So if you aren't a subscriber, go ahead and check that out, guys. But so far, 11 days running consistently, guys. Consistently earning over $100 a day. And this is the final day. Alright. And from the 18th to the 28th, which is today, we've made $2,030.34. Contact us on Telegram to get your copy.